I'm Fish. I want to thank you for joining the show. That's what I said on the video just prior to this.
I watched the
You didn't watch any videos. You didn't. Can't even make the decision that was much easier. Whatever, man.
What's happening here, man? I got this tow truck that's warning everybody, hey, get your cars off the street. And if you don't listen, they're gonna tow you. Man, how many years ago have you seen that? They don't warn you, they just do it. At least they give you the courtesy. But what if you live all the way down there and they're towing there? You're not gonna hear that. So I'm using Capcut, right? Capcut's a nice program, very easy to use, very simple to do things, much easier than other programs. I like how much easier it is to get to motion tracking. Yeah, man, that's very simple. And if I want to put text on and do that thing right here, all I do is go to, you've seen all those videos. I don't have to explain it to you. You put your video up there, you go to text, you pick a bubble, you put your bubble here, or you try to go grab a picture, and you just hit motion track, and then you just hit auto cutout. Bam, you're done. Man, it's still going down the block, all the way down the block. So they're doing road construction today, and it's past the time. So that's why you gotta move your car. That's why they came and did it. Does the street look like it needs to be cleaned, constructed? No, not at all. But there they are, doing their job, taking away car by car. Look how fast the guy got that car up, backed up within 2 seconds, man. So we make a U-turn, or U-turn with him, and off he goes. Oh yeah, man. No warning. What do? You panic. You call 311. Hey, my car's gone. Oh yeah, we moved it down to here. There it goes. Well, you know, I got these gift cards, and they're building up slowly. And I'm gonna save those gift cards. Yeah, it's gonna be one or the other. I'm not sure which one I want to get. Maybe I'll get both and just give half to that and half to this. Well, that's my options. Oh yeah. And what could it be? Yes indeed, a GoPro Hero 12, a DJI Action 4. We'll see. Well, I'm gonna again practice with Capcut. I know the motion track I did this morning wasn't perfect. I had a little issue here because the title was too high up. If it was down a little lower, yes indeed. Thank you. I'll check it out, make sure I do it right better the next time. Yes indeed. I'm Fish. See ya. I can't remember that saying. I said a lot, did a lot, I talked a lot. Have a great day.